Hey everyone! Ever found yourself with half an avocado and no clue what to do with it? Don't let it go to waste. Today, we're diving into the world of avocado preservation. We all love avocados, but that pesky browning can be a real buzzkill. But fear not. There's a simple trick to keep your avocado fresh for days. Let's get started. Now, you might be wondering, can I still eat a brown avocado? The answer is yes, but it won't taste as good. So, let's prevent that from happening. The secret to keeping your avocado green is to protect it from oxygen. That's right, the enemy is air. To combat this, we'll use a trusty ally, olive oil. Simply coat the exposed avocado flesh with a thin layer of olive oil. This creates a protective barrier that slows down the browning process. Next, pop that avocado half into an airtight container. This extra layer of protection will keep it fresh for even longer. Store it in the fridge, and voila! Your avocado is now ready to shine in your next meal. And there you have it. A quick and easy way to save your avocado from turning brown. Now, you can enjoy your favorite avocado dishes without worrying about waste. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.